A woman has been charged with murder following an incident in a moving vehicle in Matatā. The Rotorua Daily Post reporter Kelly Makiha is with us with the latest this morning. Kelly, what do we know?
Look, a woman has been charged with murdering one person and seriously injuring another person in what police said was an incident that happened inside a car not long before it crashed. Now, details around this case are under wraps at the moment, and we do have to abide by some fairly hefty suppression orders. But what I can tell you is that a 34-year-old Rotorua woman has appeared in the Whakatane District Court. She's charged with murder and with wounding with an intent to cause grievous bodily harm. That's as a result of emergency services being called to an incident on the corner of Flax Road and Matatā Road, which is in the township, Eastern Bay of Plenty township of Matatā. At that scene, a person has died and another person has been injured, and the third person, who is the woman, she's the one that has been charged. So she appeared in court yesterday. Judge Stephen Cole, he has granted the woman interim name suppression, and he has also granted suppression for the person who died as well as the person who was injured. Now, interim suppression orders in this early stage of serious cases like this is not unusual, but the woman's lawyer, he's going to have to advance some grounds as to why suppression needs to continue when she appears before a judge again, which will be at the end of this month. But what we can also say is that the police issued a statement at the weekend. This was Detective Inspector Lou Warner. He's the head honcho over here at the Bay of Plenty District Crime Squad, and what he did say is that it was a shocking incident, and he said that support has been wrapped around the family of those involved, and he said support has also been wrapped around people who were first on the scene, who he said tried their very best to do everything possible. So like I say, you know, details around this case are a little bit under wraps at the moment. The court has ordered some reports to be done on the woman who has been charged. Now, we can't go into details about what those reports are because the matter is before the court, but what we can say is those reports will determine how the court case progresses in the future.
All right, Kelly, thank you so much for that update. Really appreciate it. That's Kelly Makiha, who's with the Rotorua Daily Post. Time now is 9 to 8.